Today I'm gonna share with you step-by-step guide how to optimize your images before uploading them on your website. So why should you care about image optimization? You should definitely care about image optimization because images are usually one of the heaviest elements of every website. And by optimizing your images correctly, your website will load faster and you will get a lot of SEO benefits out of it. Okay, so here we have an image straight out of the camera. So it has some weird name, and let's see how big it is. Straight out of the camera, it's almost 5.5 megabytes. So that's a huge image, and there's no reason you need this kind of image on your website. That would load like a million years. So the first step I like to do is renaming the image. Changing the image title, and you have to use very descriptive titles and include your keywords in your title. So that's just one of my old images that I'm gonna upload on my website. So I'm gonna use here descriptive title and include my keywords in the title. So I just changed my image title name and included my keywords. So the next step is I'm gonna open this image with Photoshop. Okay, so here's the image opened in Photoshop. The first thing I'm gonna do is resize the image. I'm gonna go under images, image size, and now here we see how huge that image is. It's almost 6,000 pixels wide. So I'm gonna change that to 1,200 pixels. So I changed my image size into 1,200 pixels wide, and we instantly see how that affects the image size. Okay, so here is the resized image. Now I'm gonna save this image in the right format, which is webP. So I'm just gonna save a copy. Okay, so now here I'm gonna choose webP and just click save. I usually save it at 75% of quality. So here we have now our image saved as a webP. So let's just check now the image sizes. Original size was 5.5 megabytes. And now the optimized size is only 37 kilobytes. So that's a huge difference, and that's a huge difference in loading times for your website. The next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna additionally compress this image with a tool called TinyPNG. So all you have to do is just drag the image here, and it additionally reduced it for a 19%. So the new photo is gonna be only 30 kilobytes. So here I have the compressed version, so let's see how big it is. So the compressed version is only 30 kilobytes. Take a look, from 5.5 megabytes, we came down to only 30 kilobytes to upload your image on your website. When your image is uploaded on your website, you always have to add alternative text or alt text. Why have to add it? Because alt text is basically how your browser is gonna see your image. Browsers still aren't able to read those images, so they know what's on the image through the alt text. So always use very descriptive alt text and include the keywords in your alt text. Now you know how to optimize your images before uploading them on your website, so your website is gonna load faster and you're gonna have a better SEO. If you're interested in more tips and tricks and other videos on how to improve your website and how to get more clients with your website, please check out my other videos.